Hey guys, in this video I'll go over what is the quickest way I found to color flats in PROCREATE. Let's get started. If you want to draw some comic pages in PROCREATE, you might already be familiar with the term flats. It refers to a technique used by a lot of comic artists and consists in creating a layer with the colors only applied as the flat blocks. It's very useful because you then paint over on layers above, but when you want to make a selection of one particular color or area in all your panels, you can just use this flat layer to select this color easily with the magic wand, and use this selected zone to apply whatever effects you want locally. So let's get started. First, you'll need to have your line art done on a transparent layer and as clean as possible. Something messy like this will not do well. It can work, but not great. So let's choose clean line art to start. Second, you'll have to turn this layer to a reference layer, then create underneath a new layer. On this layer right here, we'll go to the selection menu, select automatic selection and color fill. And now, whenever you tap on a closed area in your drawing, it will fill in the color, just like you see right here. When you're still in this mode, you can then change the color with the color panel. And when you want to exit and validate your choice, just click back on the select icon. You'll see this will create a new layer. Well, no, you already have this layer, but it will create new blocks of just pure color and a perfect edge. To make more colors, just stay on this layer, go back in the selection menu, and start doing it with other colors. Same thing each time. You just need to tap out to validate your choice, and then go back in to create a new color. This way you can easily create all your different layers and the colored area you want, while not having to manually select an area or just paint in with the brush. As you can see right here, if an area is not really nicely closed, the color will spill out, and that's why you need to have a clean line art. You can use this technique to have everything on one color layer, or alternatively, you can also use it on different layers. So each layer would have one color, and then above each of these layers, you can have new layers with clipping masks. So whatever effects you paint will only apply on that specific color. That's the way I choose to do it, but I think most people use the one layer all colors approach, just like here. So there you go. I hope this helped you to optimize your coloring process in PROCREATE and maybe give you more editing leeway if you are doing client jobs. You never know when your client will want to change X stuff to whatever color, and it'll be so much quicker if you can quickly select the zones that needed modification. So that's it for me. Hope this was helpful, and bye everyone. Keep creating. Have a nice day. Oh, and by the way, if you like these little tutorials and the art talks I do, feel free to subscribe and click the like down below. It really helps and I appreciate everyone. Thank you.